Say overview of web applications. Overview of web applications. Nowadays, most of the computer software applications are web applications. Web applications usage is growing day by day. So, information technology professionals, IT professionals need to familiar with web applications, especially software developers and software testers. Okay, next, what is web application? A web application or web app is software that runs on a web server, unlike traditional desktop applications which are launched by a web browser. A web application, or you can say web app, is software that runs on a web server, unlike traditional desktop applications which are launched by a web browser. Next, in order to access or use any software application, in order to access any software application, if it is desktop application or web application, operating system is required. If it is desktop application like Notepad or Acrobat Reader, we can launch those applications from the operating system. Just switch on the computer and after booting the system, we can operate desktop applications. If it is web application, boot the system, launch a browser and navigate to web application by typing the URL of the web application in the browser address bar. Then access the web application. At the end, close the browser. Okay. Next, what are popular browsers? What are popular browsers? First of all, what is browser? Web browser is a computer program or software with a graphical user interface for displaying HTML files used to navigate the web applications, intranet and internet applications. A web browser is a computer software with a graphical user interface for displaying HTML files used to navigate the web applications. If it is intranet web applications or internet web applications. Browser examples: Microsoft Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Opera, Safari, etc. Okay, next point. First we learned what is web browser. Next, main topic, popular computer browsers. Popular browsers. As per the market share, client side market share. Say in our environment, two important categories are there. One is server side and client side. Most of the time we use client interface. So as per client side market share, I'm going to explain this popular computer browsers. Server side is different. Server side, Microsoft Internet Explorer also having good share. Client side, popular computer browsers as per business share, market share. First one, Google Chrome. It was released in 2008. Its market share approximately 68%. Next, second one, Mozilla Firefox. It was released in 2004. Its market share approximately 19%, 19. Next, third one, Internet Explorer, Microsoft Internet Explorer. Now new name is Microsoft Edge in Windows 10. It was released in 1995, oldest browser. Its market share approximately 6.5%. Okay. Next, types of web applications. This is important one. Types of web applications. In this topic, I am going to explain web applications in two different classifications. First one, types of web applications by usage. One is intranet application. Intranet application. What is intranet application? It is a private web application, can be accessed within the organization only using LAN, local area network, and it uses local or private network protocols to share information. Intranet applications, private applications. Next, famous internet applications, public applications. It is a public web application, internet application. It is a public web application, uses wide area network, WAN, to share information as well as business operations, as well as for conducting business operations, and it can be accessed from anywhere using internet protocols. Next, third one, typical one, extranet application. What is extranet application? It is also a private application over internet, can be accessed by fixed missions only. It uses wide area network and internet protocol technology to share information and conduct business operations. See, in this classification, we have three types of web applications: intranet applications, internet applications, and extranet applications. Okay, forget about extranet. Popular ones are internet applications and intranet applications. Say a final conclusion: if it is internet application or intranet application, web development is same, deployment only different. If it is private application or public application, design, web development is same, but deployment is different. Okay. Next, second classification, types of web application by nature of the business. See, first classification, types of web applications by usage. Second one, types of web applications by business, nature of the business. One is websites. See, all are websites only. It is common. This is common term, but usually website means basically websites are information providers. They provide information globally using internet protocols. Example, www.pennacement.com, etc. They provide companies information about us, contact us, products information, etc. See, once again, website. All are websites only, but generally website means websites are information providers. They provide information globally using internet protocols. Example, www.pennacement.com. Next, second one, web portals. Portals. Portal means a business gateway. Web portals are business gateways. They organize business operations. Example, online shopping portals, job portals like Naukari.com, Monster.com, etc. Next, third one, important one, nowadays, most of the web development as well as web testing can be done in this area only. Important area, enterprise applications, enterprise web applications. These web applications provide business operations and services, free services and paid services. Apart from information, they also provide information. See, once again, important category, enterprise web applications. These web applications provide business operations and business services, free and paid, apart from information. For example, ICICbank.com, sunlife.com, insurance application, ICICbank.com, online banking system, etc. These are enterprise applications. Suppose take ICICbank.com. ICICIbank.com. This is online banking system. Suppose as an account holder, if you log into this application, you can check your balance, fund transfer, bill pay. You can perform fund transfer, bill payments, etc. business operations. Suppose as a guest user, if you connect to this application, you can launch this application. After that, you can get the bank information about us, contact us, etc. Branch locators, ATM locators. Next, banking products like loans, deposits, term deposits, fixed deposits, etc. Okay. Say, important web applications are enterprise applications. Our web development and web testing, most of the web development and web testing, approximately 80% is happening here. Okay, next, social networking applications. I think all of you familiar with these applications. Social networking applications. A social networking service is an online platform that is used by people to build social networks or social relations with other people. A social networking service is an online platform that is used by people to build social networks or social relations with other people. Example, Facebook.com, Twitter.com, LinkedIn.com, etc. Next, email service applications. I think all of you familiar with this category also. Online email service providers enable users to send, receive, and review email from their web browsers. Example, gmail.com, yahoo.com, readifmail.com, etc. Once again, observe types of web applications. In these types of web applications, I explained two different classifications. First one, Types of web applications by usage. One is intranet web applications. Second one is internet web applications. Third one is extranet web applications. Next, second classification, types of web applications by nature of the business. Websites, web portals, enterprise applications, social networking applications, email service applications, etc. Okay. Next, software technologies for web development and for use, uh, production of web applications. Software technologies for web development and for production of web development. Usage of web applications. Okay. Say, here I will list out different types of software technologies that use in web development as well as web applications usage. I'm going to cover these technologies in brief manner. In further videos, we will discuss in detailed manner. Okay, first, web browsers, software technologies for web development and web applications usage. Use of web applications. First one, web browsers. Microsoft Internet Explorer. New name is Microsoft Edge. Next, Mozilla Firefox. Next, third one, Google Chrome. Fourth one, Opera. Fifth one, Safari, etc. First three browsers, Internet Explorer, Firefox, Chrome. These are popular browsers having more than 90% market share, remaining small, not small. Business point of view, limited use or no use. Okay. All these are computer browsers and mobile browsers also there, that we will discuss later. Just a small idea. Popular mobile browsers are Android, Google Android, next Apple iOS. Okay. Next, web protocols. We have so many web protocols. Web developers and web testers, software testers need to familiar with these, at least what is what level. We have so many web protocols. I will discuss later. Here I am explaining two important protocols. HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. HTTPS, Hypertext Transfer Protocol Security. Next, third one, web page design, technologies for web page design. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. DHTML, Dynamic Hypertext Markup Language. CSS, Cascade Style Sheets, etc. Next, fourth one, web servers, Microsoft IIS, Internet Information Service, Apache Tomcat, Java web server, Hyderabad company developed one web server, Pramati web server, etc. Famous, Microsoft IIS, Apache Tomcat. Next, application servers, IBM WebSphere, Oracle WebLogic, JBoss, etc. Next, for web applications, database servers also required. especially for enterprise web applications. Database servers are mandatory. Anyone? Uh, Here, what are the popular database servers for web development? Oracle, Microsoft SQL Server, MySQL, Sybase, etc. Thank you.